Hello, my name is Milena Kamenova. I am an architect working with cultural heritage for 15 years. I'll talk about preventive archaeology and archaeological heritage system in Bulgaria according to changes in legislation and regulations. There are two main reasons for the increasing of the preventive archaeology in the last 5 years. The mandatory preparation of the general development plans for all 266 municipalities and major infrastructure projects. This diagram shows that the share of the less developed archaeology is significantly increasing compared to the regular one, and there is a growth in the number of rescue excavations in the last 10 years too. In this slide, we can see the source of financing for archaeological fieldworks. There's growth in the sums from the state developers for the rescue excavations because of the large infrastructure projects related to gas pipelines and highways. The share of the private developers' financing is bigger too. In accordance with the requirements of the National Institute of Immovable Cultural Heritage, all immovable cultural assets, including the archaeological ones, are indicated in the master plans, and for them, excavations and special system protection is provided. In the next slides, I'll present you the state of the archaeological heritage system in Bulgaria, comparing the articles of the Charter for the Archaeological Heritage, the current Bulgarian legislations, and the real situation. We can summarize that our laws concerning archaeological heritage are good and implements all relevant international charters and conventions. When we talk about identification and maintenance of an inventory of archaeological heritage, we must note that the Automated Information System Archaeological Map of Bulgaria is the most complete register of the archaeological heritage based on GIS platform. It already contains information on over 22,000 sites. Archaeological Map of Bulgaria is a key guide in the process of preserving archaeological heritage and one of the most important sources of information on the new spatial development plans of the municipalities. The public national register of the immovable cultural assets in our Institute of Heritage is still in process of updating and digitalization. The system of cultural heritage protection is working not only for the 33 archaeological reserves in Bulgaria, but there are special regimes for each archaeological site, which at the time of its declaration is already an immovable cultural heritage of national importance and becomes under the Defense of Cultural Heritage Act and the Spatial Development Act. All the points in the article for preservation of archaeological heritage and the scientific significance of archaeological research work in the Charter are included in the Ordinance for Performing Field Archaeological Excavation and Cultural Heritage Act. The permission for the excavations is obtained by a commission with certain requirements. Non-destructive research methods are increasingly applied, and that often leads to resource saving. It is the duty of the archaeologists to undertake field conservation under the guidance of the restorer and to ensure the preservation of the structures. The measures for the physical protection of the archaeological heritage in situ are temporary and permanent. The field conservation actions are performed by the site excavators. Projects for conservation and restorations are made by the municipalities and the state with public funds. For that purpose, Land ownership must be state or municipal. This is often too long as a procedure, and for many of the sites, the temporary measures turn out to be permanent. Integrated conservation is the activity that has an extremely important and positive impact on the preservation of the archaeological heritage. Thanks to the additional requirements of National Institute of Removable Cultural Heritage, to the development plans, the town and regional planners requested and complied with the initial data submitted by the archaeologists. The archaeological sites marked in the development plan receive a regime of territorial protection as cultural heritage sites with certain boundaries and defense zones around them. This is one of the reasons for the large increase in the number of rescue excavations, especially in the cities' highest of ancient settlements. The financing of archaeological research in concert in Cultural Heritage Act and in the Ordinance for Performing Field Archaeological Excavations. There is a minimum wage linked to the average salary for the country and standard plan accounts for the types of excavations. Thus, the payment of the leading archaeologists is 3 times the average salary for the respective working time. The collection and dissemination of scientific information is guaranteed by the obligatory registration of the archaeological discoveries in Archaeological Map of Bulgaria, where photo and graphic information about the sites is submitted. The primary publicity is ensured by the annual archaeological reports and their publishing. There are certain requirements for the documentation of the fieldwork. Contemporary technologies are used a lot: 3D laser scanning, aerophotogrammetry, LIDAR, georadars, and so on. There are more and more educational programs and events in museums and in situ. Media platforms have been created, and active work is being done in social networks to promote cultural heritage. Many archaeologists have realized that the great media coverage also contributes to greater funding, and so the topic is becoming increasingly popular. The prevention of the illicit circulation of elements of the archaeological heritage is something that doesn't work properly. The reasons are many. The main thing is that the pyramid of treasury at its base, where the treasure hunters are, is very wide and its top is very high with great financial opportunities and influence. In conclusion, I'll mark the positive characteristic in our archaeological heritage conservation system. First of all, the archaeology is still an exclusive state property. Current Bulgarian legislation concerning archaeological heritage is good and implements all relevant international charters and conventions. There is an expert state control on each phase of conservation design. Obligatory approval of any conservation project by relevant archaeologists. Design, conservation, restoration projects can be carried out only by licensed experts. Obligatory field conservation after excavations. Gradual increase of public interests. Intensive digitalization of the archaeological heritage. 3D laser scanning, LIDAR, aerophotogrammetry, and so on. Integrated conservation. The annual archaeological reports with certain requirements for the documentation from the excavations and implementation in Archaeological Map of Bulgaria. Of course, there is much to desire, but the development trends are positive. Thank you for your attention.